Antenna installation with the standard LNB. Hello! First you need to go into the satellite signal check and configure the satellite to which the dish will be installed. This is reviewed in video 7.1. Next, open the Antenna Pointing tab. In the orbital position and satellites field, the satellite to which the antenna will be installed must be indicated. If there are no problems with determining the location, the application will display the coordinates and indicate the location on the map. If the application cannot determine the coordinates, then you need to switch to manual entry and enter them. The location is needed to calculate the azimuth, elevation, and rotation of the LNB. Next, you need to set the LNB rotation angle in the dish LNB holder for accurate work with linear signal polarizations. Next, you need to set the angle of the antenna. In the application, it is calculated automatically. On the map and the location of the houses, you can clearly orient yourself in the azimuth direction to the satellite. After that, we change the indicator mode to signal plus spectrum and control the signal level. There is a speaker icon in the upper left corner. You can click on it, a tonal sound will appear, proportional to the received signal level. Next, we turn the dish left and right until the maximum signal level is reached. When the setting is completed, we adjust the antenna vertically until the maximum possible signal level is reached. Finally, press the blind search button to make sure that the dish is pointed to the desired satellite. If the wrong satellite is displayed, then we rebuild the dish, taking into account the angle of orbital positions, the found and desired satellites. For example, we are looking for a 5A satellite, but we found 13E. Respectively, we turn the antenna to the right by 8 degrees from behind. After that, to control the signal level, we perform fine-tuning of the antenna in azimuth and elevation to the desired satellite. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will always be aware of our latest news and developments.